We are going to make a new Google Analytics account. So first you have to go to analytics.google.com. You then click Start Measuring. Type in your account name that you want. Select which data sharing settings you want to keep or remove. Click Next. Your property is inside of your account, so you can create more than one property per account. So I'm going to make just one property for my website. So I would type in GA4 because that's what I want to name it, and my website name. Select your time zone. Make sure your country and your currency are correct. And you don't need to do this because they no longer exist, and click Next. Select the size of your business and your industry. Choose your business objective. So select what's important to you when you go into your Google Analytics property and look at your reporting. So for example, if you have an e-commerce account and sell t-shirts or something like that online, you might want to click online sales. So I'll just select what you want. Generate leads would be web form submissions. It could be phone calls. Raising brand awareness is just getting people to recognize your company more so that they're familiar with it and are more likely to convert. Examine user behavior is good for any kind of reporting that you want to look at, and get baseline reports is also good. So I'm going to click these ones because I don't have e-commerce. And then just make sure you read through the terms of service and you have the right country selected, and click Accept. And scroll all the way to the bottom, and there's another one. And just read through that and accept that as well. And then click I accept. Now, since my property is for a website, I'm going to click Web. If you had an app, you would select the app ones. You have to do a different property for each of them. So if you have a website and an app, you have to make two separate properties. So you would have to do this process twice underneath your account. So you're going to put your website URL. And your website. Make sure enhanced measurement is selected so you get the best data possible, and click Create Stream. Now your Google Analytics account is set up. You'll have to install the code, which will be in another video.